Okay, I'm start cutting carrots and you kind of just like let it go through your hands, alright? Let it drop down a bit. Coop, hold yours tight till it's in yours. Do it, baby. Let it go nice and slow, Carrot. Wait. Okay, let's see. There it is. Okay. Nice and easy. Just hold the rope nice and easy, buddy. Alright?
We're gonna pull it off, right?
Here. You hold yours, Carrot?
You go pull it.
1 sec. I'm just gonna do one more, okay? Hold on. There you go, Carrot. You good? Just hold yours. No, you're good. You're good. Just hold it like that, buddy. You're alright. Let it down a bit, Carrot. Let it down more. Maybe take one wrap off, bro. Yeah, one wrap. Because I want it to go at an angle in through, right? So the way... Okay, so I'm just going to pull it a little bit and let it down, Carrot. Let it down. Let it down. Yeah, let it down a bit more. Just barely hold it. You got all those reps, man. Okay. If you need to, you can do that, but I think we should be okay. 1 sec. No. Yeah, no, hold on. No, don't tighten that. Wait. See? You go like this. See it going?
The thing is, you want the tension to go on it so you can let it go slowly, right? So you want Cooper to pull and pull. You gotta tighten up yours, Cooper.
No, hold on. Coop, don't pull. This way. Okay, see it? There we go. Okay, now give it a tiny pull, Coop. Yeah. Hold. Okay. Okay, now give me a second. Hold this. Yeah, you got it. Hold on. That's good, you know what I mean? Like, that's good. That's okay. We're okay. Just keep on holding yours the way you should, bro. Let it down a bit, Carrot. Can you? There we go. Hold. Okay, so we're gonna see. Okay, perfect. There we go. Now just get ready, Coop, okay? it down a bit, Kara. Let it down. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, keep going, you got it. Now yours is, hold on, we're good, we're good. There it is. Nice and easy, bro. Nice and easy. There we go. Okay, now you're getting it back in yours, Coop. Okay, Kara, keep on doing that. Yeah, just wait, it'll drop in there in a second. Yeah, you're good, baby, you're good. Hold on, Kara. There we go. Okay. There we go. Yeah, keep on letting her go. There we go. All right, Coop, that's on you. Okay, you guys work together. Nice and easy together. Yeah, keep on going. It might twist a little bit. There we go. Yeah, nice and easy. Now hold on, boys, I can help you out. Okay, let it go down a little, nice and easy, together, work together. Yeah, we got it. Hold, a little bit easier than that, boys. Okay, all right, nice and easy, smooth. Coop. Yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Yeah. Oh, that's it, you got it. Okay. Nice and smooth, smooth, boys. All right, both of you, nice and smooth. There we go. Keep going, keep going. You got it, smooth, baby. Yep.